In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Chatter on Salesforce. 5 minutes. Let's start inside Salesforce. Sign in and make sure you're in Lightning Experience so the interface matches what you see here. Once you're in, head to the Accounts area from your navigation bar. If Accounts isn't visible, use the App Launcher search to find it quickly. You'll see a list view of records. Open the account you want to collaborate on. This puts you on the record page where teams typically coordinate updates, ask questions, and keep work moving. Traditionally, that collaboration happened in the chatter feed on the record. You'd post an update, mention a teammate, or attach a file so everything stayed tied to the account. Recently, Salesforce has been guiding teams to use Slack as the primary collaboration experience. On many orgs, you'll notice a Slack prompt or panel right on the record page, encouraging you to collaborate in Slack while staying connected to Salesforce data. What does that mean for your workflow? Instead of typing updates only in the chatter pane, you can link the account to a Slack channel and keep the conversation there, while still sharing relevant Salesforce context. When you paste a record link in Slack, details can unfurl so teammates immediately understand what you're discussing. From the record page, you can also send key updates to Slack so the right people see them in real time. To make this work, integrate your Slack account when you see the prompt on the record. Click the Connect or Authorize button, sign into your Slack workspace if asked, and grant the permissions so Salesforce and Slack can talk to each other securely. You'll typically be prompted to pick an existing channel or create a new one for the account. After that, you can post from the record page to that channel, include a short note, and mention teammates so they're notified. Attachments and links stay associated with the account, giving you both a conversation stream in Slack and a clear audit trail in Salesforce. If you don't see Slack options on the account page, check with your Salesforce administrator to confirm the Slack integration is enabled for your org and that you have access. Also, allow pop-ups in your browser for the authorization window and make sure you're signed in to the correct Slack workspace. That's it. Log in, open the right account, and use the built-in Slack integration to keep your chatter-style collaboration organized, visible, and tied directly to your Salesforce data.